Hey guys, and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to get a ChatGPT or an OpenAI API key very easily. And to do so, it's very easy. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you have to do is to head to Google and then search for ChatGPT API key. Now, once you have made your search, click on the first link. It will ask you to either create an account or to log into your account. So in my case here, I am already logged into my account, but you will need to log into yours, and then here you will have this big button, create a new secret key. So I'll click on it once, and then here you can name it. So let's say, for example, tutorial API key, and then you can choose your project. So I don't have any project on this account because it's a test one, and you can go on and click on create secret key. Now once you have created your key, you will have the key right here. So I won't show it, of course, for security purposes, but you can click on copy and then use it in your other programs. Now, of course, you will have this dashboard with the usage, the logs, and the storage, and of course, the batches. So you can track all of your requests and all of your data inside this dashboard. And it's very easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.